Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything. I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more. Picture is not enough for them. Alright guys, we have a Echo CS-305. Already, you can see here already the inside. Okay, we got the handle here. I throw some good pictures. In case you're new in my store. Oh, I forgot to say on the end I'm gonna do the video in Spanish. Lo voy a hacer en español al final. I always take out the muffler like that. I can show you the piston. Let's see what we got. See it right there. Alright, we got right here the clutch. Okay, it came with this, and here's what, and for the clutch is broke. It's just this piece there. I'm gonna put it back, but I think it's broke, or maybe missing something. I don't know. You guys will figure it out. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's dirty. You have to clean that filter. Put this back. Okay, it goes a little bit. Okay, we got the carburetor here. Looks like everything's good there. This one has the thing, but it's missing the on the top. We're gonna try to throw some gas to see what he does. Okay. All right. Let me put this real quick. Let me put one or two screws, and let's see where we are, guys. Usually, I already have this ready. You know. You're still there. Good. But you know, sometimes you got to change a little bit. Alright, I guess we're there. You're gonna see a little bit one though. Alright, let's hit it. I wanna do like the NASA cars. Okay, I'm gonna hit it a little bit with the spark plug like that. You can hear it, okay? Let me see if we're good there. Alright. Alright. Put my spark plug this baby and see what we are, okay? Let's see what we got here. It's not that dirty. I had a lot of spark plugs. I don't know what I put them lately. I guess we're gonna use this one. I know there's somewhere around there. I think a few ones, but I will figure it out later. We're just doing the fastest I can just to make it a little better, you know, give more chances. If the core is not that good, it will start. Alright, let's hit it. Well, let's do some magic liquid going. Let's give them what they want. I would love to do that. Alright, I'm gonna put it sideways. Let me see if I would come out good there. Alright, we're on. Let's hit it. Oh, the clutch. Okay, we gotta do it like this. Maybe I put too much gas. I don't know, but oh, you see that? ready, guys. Okay, you already see the machine starts and everything. All right. Now, any questions you like what I'm doing, press a like. Thank you. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Bueno, ya vieron ya el eco, el 305. Tengo varios de ellos, no se preocupen. Hay unos cuantos por ahí abajo. Así que no se me fajen mi gente, que tenemos especiales. Ya vieron que el coil funciona, la bobina funciona y el handle funciona. Ya les estuve enseñando aquí adentro ahí, ya vieron como... Voy a tirar también unas buenas fotos ahí para que salga mejor, para que tengan una idea de cómo está ahí adentro. Es que estoy dándole vuelta aquí porque estoy con una mano. Y ahí vieron. Bueno, ya saben, cualquier cosita, ya vieron más o menos que hace por prender. Debe estar tu sucita, aunque se ve bien escapulado, pero bueno, hay que darle su cosita. Ya saben mi gente, para partes, no traten de arreglar estas máquinas porque son máquinas con problemas. Estas máquinas son para partes. Gracias y que pasen un bonito día.